Yo, Smalls, turn it up, bro.
When you gonna stop playing? When you gonna stop playing? When you gonna stop playing? When you gonna stop playing?
Hey, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Sis in the back said that it's fall. I already got the fall clothes, those fall shoes, honey. I felt like the only thing I was missing was a fall wig. So when UNice reached out to me and said they would like to do another collaboration, I made sure to browse the website and look for something specifically for fall, sis. And isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? I feel like at this moment, with this wig on, I'm officially ready. If you one of them girls that just prefer not to dye your hair, you don't want to do nothing extra, maybe that ain't for you. Everybody ain't capable, everybody ain't able. This is an option for you, sis, okay? This particular UNice wig has came just like this. I did nothing. I didn't even manipulate the curl pattern, nothing. I literally just cut lace off, sis, and plopped it on my head so that you can see exactly what you will receive out of the packaging. Now, before I get into all the specs, all the tea on this unit, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and thumbs this video up because I already know you're going to like it. And if you're new here, well, hello. I really hope this is not going to be your last time stopping by. And if you coming back, boo, give me some. That's what's with you. It's my second time around collaborating with UNice. And honey, when I tell you they don't come to play, that they hair do not disappoint. If you've ever considered a UNice unit, I'm gonna let you know right now, sis, you should definitely invest. If you happen to do so, be sure to use my coupon code, so save you a coin, you know I got you. Now, this unit is their UNice Reddish-brown 13x4 body wave lace hair wig, autumn, perfect color for dark skin, honey. It ain't never lie. In case you're new to the whole wig thing, 13x4 is pretty much how wide of a parting space you will be able to have. This track hair that come pretty close to the front of this wig. So if you're planning on doing a side part like I did, I kind of went more to the middle where there's more part and less track, and then kind of shifted the wig to the side. I'm just putting you on in case you're not a middle part girl like myself. You're able to part it over here if you like, part it in the middle if you like, part it on the side a little more, but not too far over, child, because you don't want them tracks showing. It's more versatile. This unit is a 150 density, and I must say, sis, that sis is thick. If I go ahead and add some curls, or maybe some curl wand curls, or maybe some flexi rock curls, I think that sis will give me va-va-voom. I'm definitely going to be styling and wearing her a little more during this fall season, so stay tuned for the different stylings as well. But I imagine her to be pretty big and voluptuous because she's already at her natural state. Like, I literally didn't do anything but comb this hair and set up the part. So this is giving volume without any manipulation. So imagine what it's giving if I go and do some with her. This is a 24-inch unit, and I feel like she comes back my mid-back. Some of the strands probably even touch the top crack of my. Your girl is 5'10". Your girl part of the stallion gang. If you're shorter, this will probably be down to the floor on you, honey. Okay, on your Rapunzel. They do offer limbs up from 14 all the way up to 30 inches, honey. If you know me, you know I'm not one of those ones that really like to do too much of adhesives and things like that. So I kind of made this more into a glueless wig, so I can literally just pull this right off. I did a little swoop here, you know, to kind of tame the edges a bit, but I did not add any type of got to bleed B or any type of adhesive to keep the unit down. What I did do, however, is use the elastic band that they have in the back. They do have, I think, about 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 to 4 combs in the unit that you can also use, but I prefer not. I just feel like this wig is so snug and it's not gonna go anywhere. After you wash it, it will resort back to its natural curl pattern, which is this. But if you do too much of straightening, then wash it, then hot combing with curling it with your curling iron and all that heat, it can possibly change the texture of your unit, and then it may not be as cute of a wave pattern as it's giving right now, sis. So just keep that in mind as well. Or if you want to have this unit for a very long time, I would just say to watch that. I ain't saying you can't do it, just watch it a little bit, sis. My head circumference is a 22-inch, and this fits pretty good. For my big head limit girls, I feel like it's wide enough for you as well. I had to tighten it up in order to make it not move much. So I would say it's pretty big in here, so you should be fine. I did go in and pluck the part just a little bit more to make it a little bit more wider and believable. So I did get a little bit of shedding from that, but as far as like the unit itself, like if I go in, I don't have anything. If I go in back here with the nail, and it goes through like butter, sis. Look at that. Look at that. Just butter. Just breeze right on through my fingers. Okay, so it's pretty great quality hair as far as shedding and tangling, at least for right now. We all know how it go in the beginning. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna be continuing to wear this hair throughout fall, and I'll be able to do a follow-up if you like, or just ask me in the comments. I'll let you know how it's holding up. This unit is more on the expensive side, or should I say a little bit more of an investment. I like to kind of offer different price ranges for different people, because I don't know how your pockets is, babe. Only you do. I do have a whole wig playlist if you're looking for something that's a little bit more affordable. This is one of them units that's going to be a little bit more pricier, but the quality is going to be there and it's going to last a little longer. Now, I did notice that the lace had already came a little bleach. It was not light. I could have definitely just put it right on and blended it if I wanted to, but I'm always adding my little spray tint Sally Hansen spray tint on it, just so that it can melt a little bit better and make it look more believable coming from out of my scalp. And as you can see, it is. I normally prefer to have black root and then go into the color, but honey, I must say myself that this is giving. I did not do any plucking of the edges. And as you can see, it's pretty decent. Now, if I wanted to wear it in a different style where it's more pushed back, I probably would go in and pluck it out a little bit more just to make it a little bit more believable. But if you're one of them ones that don't know nothing about plucking, I don't want you to tear up your lace, child. Just let you know that it did come pretty much pre-plucked. It won't have you looking real cray around the edges. You should be pretty good with how it arrives without having to do anything. As baby hairs, I don't really recall seeing any pre-cut baby hairs. I pretty much went in and cut out a little hair around the edges to kind of cover the lace just a little bit. I'm not the one to have the baby hairs to take up your whole entire face, come down to your mouth and back up. That's just not me. That's not my style. But you can definitely do it if that's what you want. If you are wondering about how packaging arrived, it came in this cute little box with a lot of goodies. It also came in a baggie as well that you could store your wig in. That's more like a silky texture, so it won't damage your unit. But it came with lashes, the band to hold your edges down. I think this is Mzkira, and a wig cap. I just really feel like this goes very well with those who are a little chocolate, okay, on the chocolate end. This is a pretty burgundy to orangey to red, like brownish tone combination, all mixed together and just spit up on type of color. If you was considering this unit, I say, why the hell not? Be sure to use my code. That's going to save you a little bit more money, honey. And if you made it to the end of this video, be sure to put this emoji down in the comments, baby. That's how I'm going to know it's real. Before you go, be sure to thumbs up this video. If you felt them vibes, which I know you did, go ahead and subscribe. I want to thank you, yes, you, for watching. Until next time, later.